I am Dr. N.K. Venkataramana, neurosurgeon, Brains Super Speciality Hospital. In the recent years, we have witnessed very high class, high grade, high speed cars which has come into Indian market. It's very good that they are very sophisticated, but at the same time they go at a higher speed. Though we have bad roads, we try to drive at a higher speeds, particularly when there is a sudden breakage, sudden hump, a sudden pothole and the vehicle jumps, then there will be a sudden body movement which is uncontrolled. The body moves forward and backward, we call it as a whiplash. There is a head which is at a particular weight and it is sitting on the cervical spine, and which is a fulcrum, is a movement mobile spine. So it moves the head forward and backward. That can cause two problems. It can cause a whiplash injury, a person can become unconscious for a moment, or it can cause a injury to the cervical spine. And by chance, if the neck joints are weak or injured or previous defect, it can get dislocated, causing paralysis of the hands as well as the legs. So these are the injuries which can be easily prevented by wearing a simple seat belt when you are sitting in the car. Seat belt in fact is a very simple device, but it's a game changer as far as the spinal cord injury is concerned. After invention of the seat belt, the number of spinal injuries have reduced significantly. Apart from that, when you wear a seat belt, you are particularly secure. You are with the movement of the vehicle. Otherwise, when there is a cessation of speed, or when driver applies a sudden brake, the vehicle will be in a different speed, the body will be in a different speed. So that problem can be avoided if you wear a seat belt and securely sitting. So you are with the vehicle, even if the instances where the vehicles have toppled, the persons have remained secure, and meanwhile your airbags can protect, and particularly you are not thrown out of the vehicle and you are not thrown inside the vehicle forward or backward, so that your spine and other parts of the body is secure. So please wear seat belts. It's not necessary that the driver and the person in the front seat wear the belt. People sitting in the rear side seat also should wear the seat belt. It's very important. In fact, most of the times the drivers will wear, they are holding the steering, so they have partially secured position, whereas the people who are sitting in behind, they are always in a different discussion, they are never be attentive while driving. So when there is a sudden brake, they are the people who get thrown out. There are situations where people are thrown out of the windshield because they are not wearing seat belts. So please wear seat belt, not only in the front seats but also in the rear seats, and particularly when you have children, please secure them with a proper child carrier and a seat belt.